Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today I'm walking you around a van that we've just kitted out with an Edstrom racking system. So one other cool feature we've got is these little boxes. These are really useful and makes everything a lot more efficient because they're fully covered. You can't lose stuff. Nothing's getting flung around the back of the van. But really cool thing is you can take them straight into site with you. So if you pull up at someone's house or at a workplace, wherever you're working, you can remove one of these, easily open them and use what you need to. Either keep it all in the van or you can take them, remove them and go into site. So they're quite nice and useful and they're quite large bins as well. There's lots of different sizes, so you've got there which are the slightly larger ones, then you've got the slightly smaller ones here, and it's a completely different configuration for however you want. So if you want all of the little ones, or a mixture like we've got here, you've got a full mixture of different boxes here, so you've got lots of different rows, and you've also got some extra storage here. What you could have done is move this up slightly and then given you an extra row in here, but this can also be used as additional storage on top of these boxes as well. So every single person uses their van differently, and that's why all these systems are fully customizable. Moving on to the driver's side here, so you've got more of these storage bins, then you've got one more of these pull-out drawers, so they lift up and hook on like that. So they're really useful. Got rubber mats in there as well. These are really nice as well. So as you lift these up, they pull out, and then they've actually got the ability to, again, take these into site. They come with little dividers in them as well, so you can set these up exactly how you want. But they're really nice boxes, and they can sit in here and work away like that. So you've got 6 of them all lined up here, and then larger bins down at the bottom. On this side, we've got a bit more of a basic racking system, and this whole video is highlighting this because this is a really cool way of doing it, because you've got lots of different storage options here. Towards this end of the vehicle, what we've actually got is just large storage areas, a couple of these drop-down drawers, which are quite nice, extra storage down the bottom, and then we've got a little pegboard behind us for little storage stuff that you can put things in here, keep everything nice and secure, and you can add a load of whatever you want onto the back here as well. Some people add whiteboards, or depending on how you use your vehicle, it's all very versatile. But the only reason it is versatile is because the spec is inch perfect. This client is actually a returning client of ours. We've done plenty of vans for them. They're a growing business and a great partner to work with. And these vans are incredible. They always spec them out really nicely and really look after their vans as well, because it's all about that image, how it comes across to clients when you pull up on site and you open up your van and just look at it. It looks absolutely amazing. They know that you take care of your van, and that means you're going to take care of the work that you're doing on their property or on their work or wherever you might be working. It makes a hell of a difference for that customer experience to make sure you know your van is kitted out perfectly. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you're after a racking solution on your vehicle, you know exactly what to do. All of our details is on the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.